guys, welcome to the Erica Shady channel, the bilingual channel, English and Spanish and English. Bienvenidos al canal de Erica Shady, el canal bilingüe de inglés a español y español a inglés. Well, Machine Gun Kelly came out with a song about a week ago. I couldn't react. I was on vacation. I was on holidays, but now I'm able to share it with you guys because I watch it. I saw the song, even though I was on vacation. I listened to it. I like it. I enjoyed it and became part of my vacation musical playlist. So lo escuché durante mis vacaciones. No pude esperarme para reaccionar, pero me gustó y aquí vamos a compartirlo. Estoy tan contenta que este muchacho ha vuelto al rap. I'm so happy that he has returned to rap. Now maybe he's gonna throw out one day an album where he has part, punk rock or rock music and another, and also mixed with hip hop. Or maybe he was gonna do one that's only gonna be rap and hip hop, and another one it's gonna be punk rock and rock. I don't care. He's talented, and again, it's the artist, not the genre. So if an artist can pull it out, they can sing, they can rap, they can do more than one, I say go for it. Give it to us, Tony. Give it to us because at the end of the day, we, the consumers, are the one who enjoy it. So I say make it happen. Oh, and Pete Davis is in this one too. His best friend, Pete Davis. Pete Davis.
La la la
La
la
la.
la 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 la.
The diamonds are symbolic of all the pressure they put on me until I shined. My life is symbiotic with the culture, I could never ever lose the vibe. Make sure they rolling one up for me, cause it's been a long ride. We doing this one for Money T, keep his name alive.
So I don't know who Money T. That yay sounded like John, but maybe the Money T was the one that said that yay. But they're doing it for Money T. Lo están haciendo por un artista que se llama Money T, Dinero T, que están dando, le están haciendo un homenaje. Pero me gusta él cuando él dice mi vida es simbiótica a una cultura que nunca podré dejar. My life is symbiotic to a culture that I can never leave. That means hip hop. That's rap. That's what he's talking about. Because why? That's what probably saved his life. Rap music. I like that beat too. That's an awesome beat.
The diamonds are symbolic of all the pressure they put on me until I shined. My life is symbiotic with the culture, I could never ever lose the vibe. Make sure they rolling one up for me, cause it's been a long ride. We doing this one for Money T, keep his name alive. La la la. Hold up. I know how to make an entrance. I'll hop out the truck in the fur with some henchmen. You can skip the introduction, I'm introverted, I don't want your attention. Stand on whatever I say, I'll say it to your face, I don't do it in mentions. I believe God had to put me through hell so that I could learn me a lesson. I was 11, sharing the bed with my dad, but didn't have a bedroom. In a recession, 6 of us in a Ford Explorer, didn't have legroom. Everything's destined, it was inevitable, I take on his aggression. Mad at the world cause I'm feeling rejected. Guess that I gotta die to be a legend.
He's talking about his life. That's what I love when he talks about his life. Él habla de su vida. A mí me encanta cuando él está hablando de su vida. Okay, and one now he's saying that all the stuff that he went through, how he slept with his dad in one bed and they didn't have a bedroom. That means they slept probably in the living room or like he says in a truck bed. Durmieron en una troca, durmieron en la sala, él dormía con su papá, pero no tenían una cama. O sea, tenían una cama, pero no tenían un cuarto. O sea, eran homeless, no tenían un sitio donde vivir. Creo que su papá era cristiano, algo así. His dad was a Christian, something like that. Y él también menciona aquí, que no lo quiero adelantar, pero ya me imagino que los que lo escuchan, the people that listen to MGK already know that his cousin was schizophrenic and attempted to kill him one time, listening to voices in the head that said, kill him, kill MGK.
with my dad, but didn't have a bedroom in a recession. 6 of us in a Ford Explorer, didn't have legroom. Everything's destined. It was inevitable. I take on his aggression. Mad at the world cause I'm feeling rejected. Guess that I gotta die to be a legend.
That's it. So he has to be a legend, and then they put in that little sound or ad-lib of a woman yelling, "Hey, that's him, that's MGK." He had to be adored because he felt that he didn't belong. A él lo tuvieron, él tenía que ser adorado, porque él dice, a él no se sentía que no pertenecía. Entonces cuando está diciendo eso, que obviamente él tenía que ser adorado, que tenía que buscar esa aceptación, ese amor, sale una mujer gritando, "Hey, ese es él." O sea, hasta los extraños lo reconocen a él.
6 of us in a Ford Explorer, didn't have legroom. Everything's destined. It was inevitable. I take on his aggression. Mad at the world cause I'm feeling rejected. Guess that I gotta die to be a legend.
Pete Davis.
Holy shit. Showing naked.
No, Pete Davis, es Pete Davidson. Que se tengo que acordarme, Pete Davidson. Pero ese es el mejor amigo de él, que estaba en un programa de Nueva York, que es nacional, pero que se lo dan en Nueva York, que se llama SNL. Y ahora él se fue a hacer su propia. Estaba haciendo con Kim Kardashian también, que tuvo un problema ahí con Ye. He had a problem with Ye, because he was dating Kim Kardashian. You know, he was in SNL and then he left. And they've been very close. They tweet about. Like when one time Pete was depressed, you know, MGK tweeted, said, "Time to go and see my friend. Hora de ver a mi amigo." Y agarró un avión y voló a darle compañía a Pete Davidson, porque Pete Davidson estaba suicida. He was suicidal.
Open the toilet and took a piss. Open my mouth, I'm talking shit. Open accounts cause this money don't fit in the safe. My account can't count the shit. This look counterfeit. If I wear it, its prices can't count the fit. Stack it up tall as a mountain is. I grow money on trees like a botanist.
If I wear it, cannot counterfeit. Okay, so hay cosas que son falsas, fake, counterfeit, que te la venden, you know, they sell it to you saying that it's like Gucci or, you know, Baggiana or Louis Vuitton, and it's not. But if he wears it, it's not counterfeit. Si él se la pone, no puede ser de mentira. La ropa, la calidad de ropa. O sea, que él no necesita ponerse el nombre de un designer. Él hace la ropa de designers. That's a good one.
Counterfeit, stack it up tall as a mountain is. I grow money on trees like a botanist.
When you dropping this?
Right now, I just made the hardest shit I ever heard. Right now, wait a minute, look where I was and where I'm at right now. In a plane with no passengers in it, over Cleveland about to touchdown. I got the car keys in the car heart. I don't need them, no, I push and the car start. I got the icing like a Pop-Tart, and I stay spitting fire like a Charizard. I used to be broke.
Eso es todo un esquema con el Pop-Tart, que es un helado frisado, el pop. Es del hielo, pero él también tiene hielo en su cuello. He has ice. So the whole scheme of ice with ice cream is the Pop-Tart ice cream, which is made out of ice, and that's what he has around his neck. Ice.
I got the car keys in the car heart. I don't need them, no, I push and the car start. I got the icing like a Pop-Tart, and I stay spitting fire like a Charizard. I used to be broke, couldn't afford a heater way back in the day when I was opening for Wiz Khalifa. I just got myself out of a misdemeanor. He said that he wasn't there.
He was opening for Wiz Khalifa, so that's not that bad. Él dice que estaba todo roto, sin dinero, quebrado, cuando estaba abriendo para Wiz Khalifa. Pero abrir para Wiz Khalifa is not bad. But he was broke back then. I guess, you know, it wasn't enough to pay that he was getting.
The heater way back in the day when I was opening for Wiz Khalifa. I just got myself out of a misdemeanor. He said that he wasn't there. I told him that I wasn't either. I broke every bone except my middle finger. Only had a heartbreak once, I won't have two. Free Young Thug, pour 2 liter. Why is everybody singing like the Dua Lipa? La 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 la. Hey, we doing this shit one take.
Green light, don't stop.
Go. I wear chains with my shirt off when I get my dick sucked. And she keep it in her throat like she got the hiccups. I ain't talk about no mouth though if we hit the lick up. I don't sell, I used to snort the shit. Open that brick up, I don't give.
Sí, yo no la vendía, yo me la metía esa vaina. Estaba hablando de la cocaína, todo lo que se estaba metiendo. Y él dice que cuando él hizo la película de Motley Crue, que él hizo el papel de Tommy Lee, él dijo en una entrevista, oh, yo le dije a la gente, vamos a hacer esta vaina de verdad, como si nosotros fuéramos ellos. We have to play it out, like we have to do the real thing. And they were actually doing drugs. That's what he says. I don't know how much that true, how much is that true, but he said that he told the other guy, hey, we gotta go real, we gotta go hard on this. If we're gonna do this, we gotta be real about it. And that they were doing real coke, real drugs. So I don't know. I mean, I don't know, but he went to several radio stations and saying he was kind of like hooked up, but he was hooked on that time. I think, but he was, or maybe not hooked, but he was using it quite a lot at that time. I don't know if he stopped now. No sé si paró, pero él lo estaba usando bastante.
Give a fuck about who's streaming, pull the list up. I'm a father, look at what I did to raise these kids up. There won't be a day I need a vest under my zip up. Cause every time they try to send a shot, it always missed us. Dude, I hear that shit in real life. I do not fear the afterlife. My cousin tried to suffocate me. He said the voice in his head was Jesus Christ. Healing my bruise with a
Ahí está, así como dice que el primo trató de ahorcarlo a él, de ahogarlo, diciendo que las voces en su mente eran Jesucristo. So that's the part where he's saying that, his cousin tried to kill him when he was a kid because his cousin was schizophrenic and heard voices. He said the voices were Jesus Christ telling him to kill him.
piece of ice. I held on myself when I needed a family. Instead, I was left on my own device. Swallowed a pill like a piece of rice. I slept in the attic, had demon nights. That's in a house off Lee Road. I saw my friend's eyes change. Now he just a body with no soul. I've been in the game, got a lot of exes. Look like a cheat code. I had a couple rappers.
Now he's just a game with no soul. ¿Qué es lo que dijo ahí? Solamente es como una sombra sin luz. Parece que el amigo cayó en la droga. His friend got into drugs. Is that what he's saying? Because he's talking about he was going through and the people who helped him out. Like somebody gave him a place to sleep. Alguien le dio un sitio para donde dormir. Pero dijo, ahora este tipo no tiene alma.
Life. I do not fear the afterlife. My cousin tried to suffocate me. He said,
I do not fear the afterlife. So that's why he's saying that. Okay. So él no le tiene miedo a la vida, a la vida después de la muerte, porque su primo trató de ahogarlo, de ahorcarlo, no ahogarlo.
the voice in his head was Jesus Christ. Healing my bruise with a piece of ice. I held on myself when I needed a family. Instead, I was left on my own device. Swallowed a pill like a piece of rice. I slept in the attic, had demon nights. That's in a house off Lee Road. I saw my friend's eyes change. Now he just a body with no soul. I've been in the game, got a lot of exes. Look like a cheat code. I had a couple.
He's just a body without no soul. So he's talking about someone. Say, I saw him eyes. Le vendió hielo, le vendió diamante. Now he's just a body with no soul. So ahora es un cuerpo. So no sé si es diamante, ice o droga. Pero ese tipo ahora solamente está muerto en vida, pues.
Rappers leaving out the spot with their teeth broke. You can see the double R's when I creep slow. You can't have my. I do not fear the afterlife. My cousin tried to suffocate me. He said the voice in his head was Jesus Christ. Healing my bruise with a piece of ice. I held on myself when I needed a family. Instead, I was left on my own device. Swallowed a pill like a piece of rice. I slept in the attic, had demon nights. That's in a house off Lee Road. I saw my friend's eyes change. Now he just a body with no soul. I've been in the game, got a lot of exes. Look like a cheat code. I had a couple rappers leaving out the spot with their teeth broke. You can see the double R's when I creep slow. You can't have my dick if you can't deep throat. Yeah, turn up my voice.
You can't have my penis if you can't deep throat. No puedes tener mi pene si no puedes. Deep throat es cuando te atragantas con algo, o sea, tienes una garganta bien profunda donde muchas cosas pueden caber. Pero también me gusta eso de que él dice que él fue su propio pilar. He was his own pillar. When he needed a family, he was left up to himself, to his own device. So he learned to be strong. Aprendió a ser fuerte para él mismo.
Make this beat low. I create the wave, but I don't own no beach clothes. Lately I've made a lot of enemies. Lately I've been going through it mentally. So I got a palm and a rock in a pocket in public, protecting my energy. Spiritually, you couldn't measure me. My soul has been here for a century. We came out of high school together and now we tweaking off the methamphetamine.
You see, he's talking about the same guy again, I guess, because he's talking about somebody who he came together with in high school, and now that person is tweaking, is addicted. Tiene un amigo, le está hablando de la misma persona, de alguien que creció con él, venían de la misma escuela, Y el tipo ahora está todo adicto a la metanfetamina, al cristal. Y no tiene alma, no tiene alma, pero este siguió adelante, ¿ok?
We throwing L's like real up the way shit. You see the double X's? We outside, bitch. Throwing L's like real Cleveland shit. You see those double X's? We outside, bitch. Yeah, meet me on floor 13.
Meet me on floor 13. That's the number of the bad luck, which in some buildings in the United States don't have that floor. But he's such a daring daredevil. He doesn't care, because lately he just doesn't give an F. That's the first song he started going into singing lately. That's the time, like, I think he was doing what do you call this thing? The 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 dirt. The dirt. Yeah, I think he was playing the dirt. Was the dirt the name of the movie? I don't know. The movie that he did with about Motley Crue. And he also came out with that song lately. And then in these walls, that's when he started coming out with ballads, kind of rocky ballads that he was doing in 2020. And then he went all into rock and punk, lived that life, made some enemies, like he says. And now, he's doing rap again. This guy is multi-talented. And if you got to the end of this sharing, give it a like. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Leave a comment. What do you think? Si llegaste al final de esta reacción, dale un like. Suscríbete si no te has suscrito. Deja un comentario. ¿Qué te parece? ¿Qué te parece? What do you think? Anyhow, take care, guys. Bye.